going on, guys? So like the title of the video says, the sounds of a 1200 horsepower Supra. We're gonna go get right into it. I'm just gonna go out and do a couple pulls, make some turbo noises, all the things that you guys love. Keep in mind, this car is not finished. It still has to get tuned on the street. It did come off the dyno. They have to dial in the traction control as well as a boost by gear. So it's probably just gonna spin. And also keep in mind, this is the second time, actually it's the first time I've driven it in the daylight. So I had it trailered home. Other than that, I have not driven the car, but a couple rips down the street at night. So let's just jump right into it. Let's go ahead and do a cold start first. All right, so I know I've done a couple cold start things in the past, but let's see how it is now. It is pretty cold for Florida. It's like 60 degrees, so in theory, it should be probably more difficult on a cold start than it used to be. Oh yeah, there it is. All right, let's go out and listen to it. Try to see if I can even do anything in second, but I really don't think that I can. Jesus. Oh my goodness. Well, I come off the throttle a little bit and you're able to kind of control it, but man, it's really got to be dialed down. I was not ready for all that. So I don't know if you guys can see these numbers, but this is why this thing is so hard to control right now. In second gear, in iBoost 1, made 1,041, 900 torque, 45 pounds of boost at 8,100 RPMs, and that's not full throttle. That is just trying to barely get into it. But with the 3.4, it is just comes on so fast. It's hard to really explain, but that there is why it's so hard to control right now. So once, like I said before, Alpha gets back and they get the boost by gear dialed in and the traction control, it should be a lot easier to manage. So I'm just going through each of my iBoosts. I think it's possible that my 5 maybe could have been to my 1. I'm really not sure. It's set on 2 now. I don't know what that was about. Okay. That's why we test. Got it on 3 now. So I did figure out a little boost problem in the fuel cut. So like Alpha said, the car is just not finished. So as you can see at the bottom where it says map set point 42, so that's actually, the knob is in 1, but that's actually all of it. If you go to iBoost 2, see it's 15.75, 3, 4, and 5 is all 15.75. The car, like I said, is just not finished and not set up. So talk to Alpha once it gets back, we'll really dial it in. All right, guys, so at least got the iBoost sorted out. So like I said, we'll get it dialed in, but this thing is just crazy. it'll be a lot more tameable, more fun to drive once we get it dialed in. All right, so as you can see, the car is absolutely nuts. Sorry I wasn't able to do more for you guys. Once we get this thing dialed in, traction control turned on, you know, boost by gear, all that good stuff, we'll go out and do this again, and we'll see the difference. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.